So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Michaela Pieros from Group 2. So, this is my report about mental illness and crime. Mental illness can increase the risk of committing crime, but the relationship is complex and depends on many factors. So, there are 5 types of mental illness. First is substance use. The most important risk factor for violence among people with mental illness is a history of substance use disorder. So, di ka nang nasubraan ang pag-take of drugs, na overdose, pedisab na intake og alcoholic drinks. Diri sab sila mag-lead para mapiktuhan yung pangunahuna og imong health. Dayon dirha din sila makabuhat og dili mayong butang. Second is treatment. People with mental illness who don't receive adequate treatment may be more likely to commit violence. Meaning, katungan ng mga disorder is dapat matreat immediately aron dili mo samot or mulala. If dili siya matambalan, mostly, ang mga tao nga na mga disorder is mo commit og crime kay mostly unstable man sila. Third is delusions and paranoia. People with mental illness who don't experiencing delusions or having a long-standing paranoia may be more likely to commit violence. So, kani siya is kanang, it is where mag-imagine ka o may magsunod-sunod or mag-spy nimo. Ya din, bisag wala di ay ito. Ano ba din? Paranoia is like kanang matrauma ka or wala na kay salig sa uban or sige na kang duwa-duwa. Psychotic illnesses. Psychotic illness like can sometimes be associated with violence and behavior. So kani siya is kanang refers to the brain damage or mental illness gihapon siya. Like kanang mga buang nga mga tao wala na sila saktong pamalansi sa ilang panghunahuna, sagun sa na ilang buhaton or sagun sa na ilang pangyaw-yaw. Lastly is other comorbidities. Other conditions can increase the risk of committing a crime. Includes the unemployment, homeless, and cognitive impairment. So, kanay sila is kanang mag-lead sila kanang stress or depression, kanang mga walay kwarta, walay kaon, walay pulianan, kanang dili sakto ilang panghunahuna. Mag-lead ni sila sometimes mga tao og crime. So, mara to, sir.